So I got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case of the Spigen Outlet in eBay. You can see the case, the box has like no markings or anything. I got it for like $7 or something like that, but it's a brand new case, and it usually goes for like maybe $11, $12 in Amazon. Um, it's a really soft, like TPU type case with a hard plastic back, and it's kind of rigid. I mean, but the sides are soft. I got the Space Crystal version. I used to have this case for my iPhone 6s Plus, and it was a really good slim case. It protected it from a couple of falls. So let's see how this one looks. I think it matches better with the space gray iPhone than the regular clear one. You can see the camera cutout. It's perfect. I mean, Spigen puts like great quality onto this cases. I mean, and they're really at a good price. I mean, the buttons, they feel very clicky and tactile. Yeah, I mean, for $7, I mean, you can't go wrong. It has like air cushion protection in the corners, even in case that you drop it. I mean, I wouldn't drop this from maybe 10 feet, but maybe from the waist or from the lap. I mean, the cutouts are really good. You can fit aftermarket lightning cables in there. The cutouts for the speakers look really good, and yeah, I mean, the back is clear. Yeah, probably it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet like the Ultra Hybrid case, but I mean, for $7, I mean, you can't go wrong. Um, so yeah, that's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. Thank you for watching, and click and subscribe if you like the videos.